Hey guys, this is my first review for motion activated Me Light, which was available on MI website during a crowdfunding for rupees 500. I ordered it and it was delivered to me today. So here's the first unboxing of this light. It is made up of plastic and there's a magnetic holder which you can attach via two-sided tape anywhere you want. So this light is operated via 3 batteries and there's a 2 brightness setting for the brightness, and it goes like this. So this lights get activated only in dark environment. It does not get activated in bright room or anything, so there's no chance of getting activated in the day. I tried this light in the dark room, so you can see this light is pretty sufficient for a dark passage. It automatically gets turned off in 15 seconds if there is no movement. So this is my first video about any unboxing. Please give me reviews and comments if you like this video or not and what can I do more. Thank you.